What's up everyone? Kakatapos ko lang mag-leg day and gusto ko ulit kayo makakwentuhan. Ang naisip kong pag-usapan is about surrender. Since on my previous video, I mentioned that I'm a choleric and I'm having a hard time to let go since I want to control everything and I want to see the result or the outcome of something. And my major issue is surrendering to God's will. So let's dive in about that. I think for me, it's the fear that gives me the hindrance to let go and let God. I want to see the outcome. Fear creeps in. Like, kapag naging uncertain ako sa isang bagay. Actually, now, at this moment, I'm having doubts on myself because I'm planning to vlog in this gym while I'm working out, but unfortunately, hindi ko magawa since ang daming tao, hindi ako makapagsalita sa labas ng gym. So, I decided na after my leg day, punta ako dito sa locker room and dito na lang ako mag-start ng video. So, ayun, it's another fear and hindi ako makapag-let go since I have this ideas on my mind na baka I have doubts na since maraming tao, marami nakakita sa akin. Which is fear siya, and hindi siya totoo kasi it doesn't matter naman kung ano isipin ng iba eh. As long as my intention is good and wala naman ako ina-harm na iba. And I think another fear that hindrance our trust in God is FOMO, or fear of missing out. Since comparing, again, you're comparing yourself again to others, especially, for example, your friend already has a family or already got married. There's a fear that you're missing out since yung mga kabatch mo kinakasal na, ikaw hindi pa. Yung ibang kabatch mo may anak na, ikaw wala ka pa rin pamilya. So, that comparing itself or fear of missing out. At the end of the day, God has plans for everyone. Hindi tayo pare-pareho. Hindi tayo pare-pareho ng path. Iba-iba ang plano sa atin ng Diyos. And I think that's the biggest part also kasi you compare yourself and you think you're missing out. The fear itself is the problem. Kaya di tayo makapag-let go. At di tayo makapag-surrender sa will and plans ng ating Panginoon. So let's continue this topic. Babiyahin tayo pa uwi and gagawin ko yung cardio sa bahay. Part of trusting God is letting go of fear. In the Bible, ayun yung maraming beses na inulit. Do not fear, do not fear, do not fear. Wala tayong karapatan matakot. I think it's a pride thing also. If we allow fear to consume us, externally, I look confident and assertive, but deep inside, this is also my struggle. The surrender, letting go and letting God, trusting His will and His plans for me. And the things that changes it is fear. Fear of losing control, fear of missing out, and fear of uncertainty. So I think my takeaways is eliminate the fear and trust God fully with your heart, mind, and strength. Since siya lang naman nakakakita kung yung makakabuti para sa akin, para sa iyo, para sa ating lahat. And do not allow the fear to consume us. How do we do that? Again, balik tayo sa prayer life. Prayer itself is how we determine our relationship to God. So, the stronger your prayer life is, the more you will have clarity about the plans that God wants you to do. So the fear, it doesn't matter about the fear since you have the clarity. At the end of the day, again, prayer life is the solution. So, thank you for watching. See you again sa next vlog. Peace!